Hi, my name is Mike Parsons. I'm a professor of marine science in the water school at Florida Gulf Coast University. And what we're about to talk to you about is the spinning fish, the whirling fish that we're seeing in the Florida Keys. Explain the sickness. So when fishing guides and other people on the water noticed that fish were acting erratically, whirling, swimming in circles, swimming upside down, we all started wondering what could be the cause of this behavior. And since so many different kinds of fish were being affected, we thought it was something in the water. Why is this phenomenon concerning? This phenomenon is concerning because it's never been observed in this area in the Florida Keys before. People have noticed fish acting strangely in the past, but sometimes it was related to red tide or low oxygen or extreme temperatures. None of that is present in this case, so it was worrying that we did not know what the cause of it was and that so many fish were exhibiting this behavior. How did the researchers at FGCU get involved with the spinning fish issue? We first heard about the spinning fish in January of this year, and we heard that they were seeing some algae that causes something called ciguatera poisoning. This algae is related to red tide, but it's a different kind of algae than red tide. When we heard this algae was present, we thought we should look at it in more detail. What are researchers at FGCU studying? Researchers at FGCU are studying these bottom-dwelling algae that can produce toxins that can get in the water and can get in fish that live or associate with these bottom environments like seagrass beds. Why do we think these bottom-dwelling algae are the cause of the spinning fish behavior? We've been studying these bottom-dwelling algae for over 10 years now, and we know they produce toxins that are neurotoxins, so they can affect fish's behavior. We see high levels of these bottom-dwelling algae, and we think they're producing extra toxins that are getting in the water column and therefore affecting the fish through waterborne exposure. Is this a new problem? Is this a unique problem? While we know about these benthic-dwelling dinoflagellates, these algae, and we know that they produce these toxins, we have never seen fish exhibit this erratic behavior before. So while the algae are known, and we've been studying them for over 10 years, we've never seen this effect that the algae have on the fish. So that creates a new issue and a new problem that we're trying to learn more about. Who else is involved in this research? FGCU scientists are working with Bonefish and Tarpon Trust, scientists from University of South Alabama and Dauphin Sea Lab, Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission, and others on this important problem. Is this something we need to solve and solve quickly? This is a problem that we definitely need to solve, but it might not be a quick fix. We're still trying to understand what is going on. Once we understand, then we can look into potential solutions. How often are FGCU scientists sampling? FGCU scientists are going down to the Keys every 2 weeks to a month, depending on our progress on our sampling events. We are collecting more algae in water and fish so we can analyze these for toxin and to look at the algae more closely. What do you do if you see a distressed sawfish? If you see a distressed sawfish, please call the Sawfish hotline.